Good evening po. The night is still young and so are we. Okay. So in behalf of the Ridon Cristóbal family, we prepared something for you. Christmas is a time for reunion, a time to celebrate, but of course it's the time to prepare for the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. And for that, we would like to sing a song for everybody. Also, goodbye po. And also, this is for we dedicate this song for those who are not with us anymore, especially to my Papa, Dr. Ridon, for all your relatives who are not here, and also to my Ninong, Resty Acosta. This is for you. This song is with my Papa Ace. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangat ko ay ang magkapit